The Kalangut Hotel and the 50 Maharashtra registered bikes issue has gone viral. Now there is another twist in the tale. Watch more. Activist Walter Lobo, who was present during the uproar outside a hotel along with the media, had uploaded the video. Almost immediately an FIR was filed and he was arrested and later released. However, the allegation is that the police are harassing him and has even warned him of not to post anything on social media. But he has gone ahead.
I filed a petition on behalf of Mr. Walter Lobo from Kalangut. In the petition, I have sought for quashing of the FIR filed by the Kalangut police station in respect of a viral video that he had uploaded on Facebook. Now, in our petition before the High Court, we have spelled out our case that, in fact, that the state government, under the garb of the Disaster Management Act, is trying to subvert democracy in Goa. In the video, we have pointed out that Mr. Walter Lobo was only trying to point out the faults of the government, whereby in paid quarantine centers, people who are supposed to be under quarantine were freely moving in the village of Kalangut. Now it is a known fact that Kalangut village is densely populated, and there was every possibility that these persons who are undergoing a mandatory quarantine for 14 days would, if any one of them could have been infected, that they could be spreading the infection. Instead of showering praise on a citizen who is coming forward to point out the faults, violations taking place of the order of the collector in respect of paid quarantine centers, Walter Lobo was subjected to an FIR. Walter Lobo was arrested. The sections which have been imposed on Mr. Walter Lobo is section 269 IPC, where it has been alleged that Mr. Walter Lobo, by his negligent acts, has in fact caused the possibility of the infection spreading amongst the populace. Now, it's a funny, ironic situation that the persons who are violating today are the complainants who have gone before the Kalangut police station. The persons who are supposed to supervise and see that the persons under quarantine do not move out from the paid quarantine center today are being rewarded are persons who are continuing to violate the orders of the collector as far as paid quarantine centers, and the person who is informing the government of its faults is arrested.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 in Panaji.